suspect that's going to go here, but let's look at this fine lineup. Hannah Charles of St. Lucia, Katie Barbados, Tyra Charles, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Abigail Campbell, Jamaica, Tianna Springer, Guyana, Shankiu Williams, Jamaica, Narissa McPherson, Guyana, Shania Adderley of Bahamas. This is a fine lineup. This one looks like a Jamaica versus Guyana battle.
You're under 17. Well, I am flanked by Jamaica and Guyana at the moment, so I'm keeping peace. But yeah, you've got your under 17 champion from last year in the person of Springer. She's an outstanding competitor. She's done such great things. The South American record for under 20 already. She was the Commonwealth Youth Games champion last year, still yet to turn 17. Abigail Campbell.
On your marks.
Outstanding competitor as well.
Abigail Campbell won the under-17 400 title at Carifta in 2022. Has run as fast as 52.27 this season. She is the fastest in the field, but the Guyanese athletes look well poised to push her all the way. Off they go. Under 20 girls 400 final. Shankiu Williams of Jamaica, like she usually does, goes out quickly. She's in lane number 6. Already flying by McPherson of Guyana and going out to the Bahamian, Shania Adderley. They get up to 200 meters. Charles of St. Vincent and the Grenadines also going well. Springer of Guyana and Abigail Campbell of Jamaica with some work to do. Shankiu Williams has gone really quickly here for the first 300. Springer and Campbell start to move as they enter the straightaway. Charles is in second position for St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Shankiu Williams leads. Here comes Tianna Springer. The Guyanese has the advantage. It's going to be Tianna Springer. The under-17 champion from last year becomes the under-20 champion this year.
We can't wait until we see this time, because where it stopped on the screen and in the field is confusing me.
This is a terrific performance. Told you in qualifying, she is no ordinary athlete. And she produces a sensational performance. I think especially the champion in under 17 division in 2022, Abigail Campbell, will be disappointed with her own tactics. But no issues from this young lady. 52.31. It's a lifetime best for her. She is Carifta under 20 champion.
Coach Mark Scott will be pleased. The police club, Chase Academy over in Guyana, will be absolutely pleased. And I'm sure our guest here this evening, Alian Pompey,
all the Guyanese are proud. My heart was in my microphone, essentially, but the level of composure that she showed. I mean, the Jamaican athlete, Miss Williams, went out so hard. I don't know, it takes a level of composure I'm not sure I ever had to kind of keep your mental focus and stick to your race plan all the way through. But after that, with 120 to go, she made a decisive move and just kept going. And it was beautiful to watch.
Just 17 years old, has a couple more years left in this division, going from not something we see very often, especially in the sprints, going from being the under 17 champion to now under 20 champion in the space of 1 year.
Well, Adidas has already realized her talent. They've signed a nil deal with her at just 16 years old and changing the game. Nil. And Tianna Springer strikes gold in the under-20 division at the Carifta Games in a personal best 52.31. Abigail Campbell 52.85, down on her personal and season's best. Shankiu Williams of Jamaica with the bronze 53.03. That's a personal best for her as well. What a race, what a final, what a performance from Tianna Springer of Guyana, as we rush the Gerard Morrisili, who has a Jamaican record holder.
Yeah, man. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to this great and amazing track and field event. Under 20 girls 400 meters DAS final CAMPBELL'S Games 2024. Guys, please like the video. Guys, what a final, what a performance from Tianna Springer of Guyana, burning the field, destroying everyone, winning gold in a world reading time of 52.31 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget the 18 years old Tianna Springer of Guyana won gold in the same track and field event 400 meters race in 2023 under 17 years girls CAMPBELL'S Games 2023. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's no doubt that this young queen from Guyana is a very strong and brilliant and great sprinter, giving Jamaican queen sleepless night. You're gonna agree with me, guys. Guys, Jamaican sprinter Abigail Campbell took home silver in 52.85 seconds, and also Jamaican Sheikh Williams settled for bronze in 53.03 seconds. Guys, it was such a very impressive race. I gonna tell you the truth. Guys, Jamaican Abigail was the favorite in this race and everyone expected her to win gold, but unfortunately she did her best and settled for silver, which is not that easy as most of the people may think. It's always perseverance and great hard working all throughout from training. Guys, I always find it fair to always congratulate all the athletes participating in this great track and field event, 400 meters stars final. And guys, the comment section down below here, let's congratulate all the young queens from Caribbean island who participating in this great race. Ladies and gentlemen, as we all know, these young queens are the one to watch in this year 2025 track and field event, which has already kicked off with CAMPBELL'S Games 2025 around the corner and World Championships later in the year 2025 in Tokyo, Japan. Guys, we are aware that these young girls have been camping at the training camp, and Jamaican athletes have promised Jamaican and fans that they're gonna perform magnificent very well. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your precious time. Thank you so much for your subscription. Thank you so much for your like, comment, sharing of my videos. And if it's your first time coming across this channel, kindly subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you get notified each and every time we have a new video. Blessings.